to use Coupa for purchasing management in 2025. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, efficient purchasing management is critical for ensuring streamlined operations, cost savings, and supply chain efficiency. As companies increasingly adopt technology to optimize their procurement processes, Coupa has emerged as a leading platform in spend management. With its advanced features and AI-driven insights, Coupa simplifies purchasing management, making it an indispensable tool for modern organizations. This video delves into how businesses can leverage Coupa for purchasing management in 2025, covering its core functionalities, implementation strategies, and the benefits it offers. Coupa's robust platform offers a comprehensive suite of tools meticulously designed to streamline and enhance procurement processes across industries. From automating workflows to leveraging AI-driven insights, Coupa addresses the complexities of modern purchasing management with precision and efficiency. Here is an in-depth look at the key features that establish it as an indispensable solution for organizations in 2025. First, let's talk about this procure-to-pay or P2P lifecycle management. The P2P process is the backbone of purchasing management, serving as a comprehensive framework for handling all procurement-related activities. Coupa automates the entire P2P lifecycle, encompassing requisitioning, approval workflows, supplier selection, and order placement, recipient of goods, and payment processing. With its intuitive and user-friendly interface, employees can easily create detailed purchase requisitions, which are then routed through the predefined approval to ensure alignment with organizational policies. Once approved, purchase orders are generated and transmitted to suppliers electronically, minimizing manual intervention and errors. Furthermore, Coupa's platform ensures end-to-end compliance with internal governance standards and external regulatory requirements, providing real-time visibility into every stage of the procurement process. This transparency enables organizations to track expenditures, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to optimize purchasing efficiency. Now let's discuss its Contract Lifecycle Management, or CLM. Coupa's Contract Lifecycle Management functionality provides a robust framework for managing contracts through their entire lifecycle, from initial drafting to eventual renewal or termination. This feature ensures that organizations maintain compliance with contractual obligations such as version control, milestone tracking, and audit trails. By minimizing manual interventions, Coupa CLM reduces risk associated with missed deadlines or overlooked terms, which can lead to costly penalties or strained supplier relationships. Additionally, this functionality fosters stronger supply collaboration by centralizing contract information and facilitating transparent communication. It seamlessly integrates with procurement workflows, allowing users to generate purchase orders directly from contract terms, ensuring consistency and adherence to negotiated agreements while streamlining the overall procurement process. Moving to its supplier management, managing supplier relationship is critical for effective purchasing as it directly impacts procurement efficiency and overall organizational success. Coupa's centralized supplier management system serves as a comprehensive hub for storing and tracking detailed supplier information, including contact details, certifications, and performance metrics. This system enables business to monitor supplier performance consistently through key performance indicators or KPIs, ensuring alignment with quality standards and compliance with industry regulations. Additionally, Coupa enhances transparency and accountability by offering tools for regular evaluations, automated reminders for certification renewals, and customizable dashboard for supplier insights. The platform also facilitates seamless communication and collaboration, enabling organizations to share forecasts, resolve issues proactively, and negotiate better terms. By fostering stronger partnership, businesses can build a resilient supply chain and drive mutual growth. Next, expense management. Coupa's expense management tools provide a seamless and automated approach to expense reporting, significantly simplifying the process for both employees and managers. Employees can quickly submit detailed expenses reports through user friendly interfaces, while managers benefit from streamlined approval workflows that reduce delays and improve accuracy. The automation eliminates tedious manual processes, cutting down on administrative workloads and freeing up valuable time for more strategic tasks. Additionally, the platform enhances spending visibility by analytics on employee expenses. This level of transparency enables organizations to maintain tighter control over budgets, identifying spending patterns, and implement policies that curb unnecessary expenditures, ultimately fostering a culture of financial accountability. Now let's head to its predictive analytics and insights. With its advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, Coupa delivers predictive analytics that empower organizations to anticipate and adapt to spending trends with remarkable accuracy. By thoroughly analyzing vast amounts of historical and real time data, the platform not only identifies cost saving opportunities, but also uncovers patterns in procurement behavior that might otherwise go unnoticed. These insights enable organizations to make strategic, forward thinking decisions such as negotiating better supplier contracts, optimizing budget allocations, and proactively addressing potential financial risks. Coupa's predictive analytics tool also provide customizable dashboard and reports, offering a clear and actionable view of procurement metrics that align with long-term organizational goals. Lastly, let's discuss its real-time order tracking. Coupa's real-time tracking capabilities empower organizations to monitor the status of orders throughout the entire procurement cycle, from initiation to delivery, with unparalleled precision. This feature leverages advanced tracking technologies to provide instant updates on order progress, enabling businesses to identify potential bottlenecks and take proactive measures to mitigate delays. By ensuring timely deliveries, Coupa not only reduces downtime and associated costs, but also enhances accountability across the supply chain. Additionally, the platform integrates seamlessly with supplier systems, offering visibility into shipping schedules and delivery confirmations, thereby fostering trust and transparency with supply chain patterns. Now that we know its features, let's move on to the best practices for implementing Coupa for purchasing management here in Coupa. By adopting Coupa with a strategic approach and leveraging its sophisticated functionalities, companies can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, compliance, and financial optimization. Moreover, as the pace of technological innovation accelerates, Coupa's forward thinking solutions are poised to stay at the forefront of purchasing management. They provide organizations with the tools to tackle evolving challenges, embrace sustainable practices, and ensure agility and navigating the complexity of modern global supply chains with confidence and ease.